Now the question number 6 is, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, that is the work done. Work done is whenever we apply it, that is suppose there is an eraser, it is this initial position. When I applied some force on it, it travels some distance, that its position changes from this to this, and this is the work done that is traveled by the body or by this object. Any object can be. And here is a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travel, that is how much we apply the force, the equal the distance traveled by the body. That is, if we increase the force, then the distance traveled by the body also increases. This is the directly proportional, that is direct variation. We already learned about two type of variation in 8th class, that is direct variation and inverse. In direct variation, when we increase one thing, then the other thing also increases, that, and if we decrease one thing, the other thing also decreases in case of direct variation. And here it is given that when we applied a constant force, that is fixed force, and work done is directly proportional to the distance traveled, that is if we increase the force, then the work done also increases and the distance also increases. But if we decrease the distance, then the work done also decreases. Now here also given a thing that we have to express this in the form of equation in two variables, that we can use any two variable x, y, y, z, u, v, and draw the graph. And we have learned also about how to draw the graph, and taking constant force as 5 unit, and it is given that constant force, it can be 2 unit, 3, 4, 5, any constant number, and here it is given that the force is 5 unit. And also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is. And here also we have to check from the graph what is the distance covered if the body, what is the work done if the body covered 2 unit distance, and if the body covered 0 unit distance, what will be the work done, we have to check from the graph. Now here let the work done by a body equals to x unit, because we have to make a linear equation in two variable. So I let the work done by x unit and distance travel by the y units. Here units can be meter, centimeter, kilometer or millimeter. And here constant force is also given, so I let the constant force is F unit. Now according to question, work done is directly proportional to the distance travel. Now work done is represented by x and distance travel is represented by y. So x is directly proportional to y. Now whenever we change the proportionality into equality, we use a constant, and here the constant is F into y. Now we have to given that a constant force F equals to 5 unit, it is given. So x equals to 5 into y, because F equals to 5 units. Now we have to make a graph of this equation. So for making a graph, we always make a solution table first. For solution table, we check 2 or 3 values of it. This is x, this is y. First, you can consider any value, as in previous video we have to know how to make the solution table. And first let x equals to 0. When x equals to 0, which is equals to 0 into 5y, now 5 divides 0 divides 5, which is equals to y, so 0 equal y. When x 0, then y equals to 0. Let x equals to 1. When x equals to 1, 1, 2, 3, any number can be taken. When x equal 1, then one equal 5y. So 1 by 5 equal y. 1 by 5 is 0.5 500, 5 into 2 0.2. When x is 1, then y is 0.2. We can take any value, and we have to find the work done when distance travel is 2 unit. So let y equal 2, then x equal 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. We can put any value of x or any value of y. So I check two values of x and two values of y, so it can be easy to draw a graph. When y is 2, then x is 10. We can check any other value like that. We can put y equals to 3, then x equals to 5 into 3, that is 15. When y is 3, then x is 15. Now we draw a graph of the solution table. You have to draw a graph on minimum 3 numbers, that is 3 solution. You can take 4 solution, 5 solution, but at least there must be 3 solutions to show a linear equation graph. Now to draw a graph, you can use the scale or pencil, or directly you can draw it on the graph paper. And with the help of scale, measure the units. Now again, this is x positive, x negative, y positive, and y negative. Now here in solution table, the maximum, I draw the graph for only 3 solution. You can draw it for 4 solution or 5 solution. Here the maximum value of x is 10, so I taking the difference of 2 units here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similar 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. Similarly here y is negative, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, and minus 10. Now this point is the origin, that is 0 and 0. Here the first solution is, when x 0, then y equals to 0. So first I draw this. When x is 0, then y is 0, that means it is the origin. And second is when x1, y is 0.2, and we know that there are 10 divisions between these two long division, there are small 10 division. When x is 1 is between 0 and 1. Here 0 and 2, the midpoint is 1, and y is 0.2. Here the 10 divisions, so 2 divided by 10, the first division is 0.2, so it is the value. Next, when x is 10, y is 2. When x is 10, y is 2. And next, when x is 15, y is 3. Similarly, next point is 12, 14, 16. Between 14 and 16, the point is 15. And when x is 15, y is 3. 3 is between 2 and 4. Now join these points with the help of scale, so it is a linear equation. And represent these points. This is 0, 0. This is when x is 10, y is 2. This is when x is 15, y is 3. And this point is when x is 1, y is 0.2. And the linear equation is x minus 5y equal 0. And we have to write the scale, as I already mentioned in the previous video. Here the scale is the difference on both axes are same, so scale along x and y axis is here. Between any two long division there are 10 small divisions, so 10 small divisions equals to, here the difference is 2, 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 4 2, equals to 2 units, and one small division equals to 2 by 10, which is equals to 0.2 units. Now we have to answer the question. Here the first part is what will be the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. Now the work done is represented by x and distance is represented by y. So when y equals to 2 units, then what will be the value of x? When y is 2, then the value of x is 10 units. So the work done equals to 10 units. And next is when y equals to 0 units. This is the first part and this is the second. When y equals to 0 unit, then work done, that is x equal, when y is 0, then x is also equals to 0, so x equals to 0 units. And this is the graph of question number 6.